Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll tell you how to use VR chat on OMETV. So let's start. Here told us that we can use OBS for doing the VR chat window. Now you can start using the OMETV. You have to go to OMETV, and here you have to have the permissions for using the Microsoft on camera. How you can do it? Let's go to the left side and let's go to the corner, and then just click here and you find here the options for permissions. So you have here the camera and the microphone. So if you want to use the VR chat there, you can start using it, and then you can start sharing the screen as well for starting using on TV and the VR chat. So you have to have these programs, OBS and OMTV, well, here, and you can start sharing the screen on it. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.